Today topic discussion is about use of ClickFunnels. What is ClickFunnels and how we can use ClickFunnels? ClickFunnels is a sales funnel created to help with businesses automate their sales process from A to Z. ClickFunnels basically provide us all-in-one marketing solutions which include page builders, web hosts, content management system, shopping, a card, email autoresponder, web analytics, other marketing tools. So before starting our video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel, share with your friends and family, and press the bell icon for the notification. So let's start our topic. What is a ClickFunnels account? It's a website or funnel builder that helps business and sellers their product and services online. We make no earning claim or return on investment claim, and you may not make your money back. So ClickFunnels is what ClickFunnels is a complete marketing tool that lets you market and sell your product almost automatically. It has a lot of tools and integration for nearly everything you need. Yes, it is expensive, but you get your free with 100% worth it. Can make money. ClickFunnels offer one avenue for helping you to build a business and generate a real income online. Whether you are looking to directly exchange your time to money or looking to build a passive income business or money fund approach is one way to you can get from zero to hero quickly. ClickFunnels is basically a online tool which is used to earn money from any website like AliExpress, Alibaba, Amazon, eBay, Superstore, Shopify store, eBay account. So why do I need ClickFunnels? The main purpose of ClickFunnels is to create leads and sales funnels that will boost traffic and ensure a high conversion rate. Some of its most important features include lead managed page, and increase the traffic on our website or any of our market.